Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, are you confused about which crypto trading platform is better? Are you confused between Binance and Delta Exchange? You're on the right video. So, Binance offers a beginner-friendly interface with both basic and advanced trading options. It supports spot, futures, and margin trading. On the other hand, Delta Exchange specializes in crypto derivatives, offering advanced contracts for pro trading. If you compare the features and customizations, Delta Trading is basically into more future options, perpetual contracts, and providing better tools for leverage traders. And on the other hand, if you compare the Binance, it has a massive selection of cryptocurrencies, stocking, and even NFT marketplace. Now, if we talk about the fees, Binance offers low trading fees starting at 0.1% with discounts for BNB holders. Delta Exchange, on the other hand, is a competitive fees, but liquidity is lower than Binance, meaning larger trades may experience higher slippage. So, if low fees and high liquidity matter to you, Binance is better. But if you want a derivative focused trading, Delta is a strong choice. Now talking about the main thing, which is the security and regulations, Binance has faced regulatory scrutiny in multiple countries, but it remains one of the largest exchange worldwide. Delta Exchange, on the other hand, is registered in Caribbean and operates globally with a strong focus security. So if you want a well-established exchange, Binance is more trusted, but if you prefer a more niche for pro traders, Delta Exchange is solid. Now, comparing the two, choose Binance if you want a well-rounded trading experience with high liquidity and more features, and definitely go for Delta Exchange if you are a pro trader looking for advanced derivatives and high leverage options. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.